Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 45 HR building. That's the building straight ahead. It's located at 45 Hope Road. Now there was an earthquake in Jamaica yesterday, and for some reason some posts started to go around about buildings being damaged. But as you can see, there's no damage to this building. It's fine. And work continues. There you can see people working. Also the Rogers, there's no damage to that building. This building we're looking at is 10 floors. The Rogers is 20 floors. No damage to these buildings. Jamaica has some building codes that would take into account earthquakes. So a 5.4 or 5.6 magnitude earthquake is not going to damage these buildings. They're built out of steel and concrete. They're built up to code. So as you can see, this building is fine. This is going to be a commercial building. Should finish sometime next year. It has reached a height. It has reached 10 floors. This is a solid building. The Rogers, 20 floors, residential building, no damage whatsoever. Work continues on that building. Alright, so we're going to continue on Hope Road now. And we have some drone footage of these buildings. This one and the Rogers, so you should check it out. They're very nice, very modern buildings. I mean, in terms of architecture. And you notice that they have a very unique system here where this building doesn't have a crane. This is a 10-floor building, and I've never seen a crane at this building. Never. Even the call centers that are 4 or 5 floors have cranes. They have some that use rope and pull up the buckets. But it's very strange. No crane on a building this size. Somebody had said they had a temporary crane, one that can collapse, but I've never seen it in operation. Alright, so actually, if anybody has heard of any building being damaged from the earthquake, let us know. We will make a video, but I would be very surprised if these buildings of this size were damaged. But nonetheless, if you know of any damaged building, let us know and we'll make the video. But so far, all the buildings we've looked at, no damage. Work continues on them, and I'm sure they would have been checked. Alright, so we're on Hope Road heading towards Ligani now. On the left is Jamaica House, where you see this fence, and that building overlooks Jamaica House. There was actually some talk about the building being a security risk because it overlooks Jamaica House, but I don't think much goes on at Jamaica House. The Prime Minister works at the office of the Prime Minister, which is at the back of Jamaica House. That building has no clear line of sight to that building. Oh, look at this car. I don't know if the video picked it up. It's one of those sports cars. I must say, Jamaica has some on top of the line sports cars. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches. Very impressive. Yeah, there was a discussion about that building being a security risk to Jamaica House, but the building was approved by all the government agencies, and that was never brought up as a concern, so I think it will be fine. So we're at the intersection, and we're on Hope Road. Turn left, you go on to East Kings House Road, and turn right, you go on to Lady Musgrave Road. And both East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road are going to be upgraded to 4 lanes.